Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use night mode in the camera on your Samsung Galaxy A27. First, what you want to do is go over and open up the camera app. Now we're going to switch to night mode. As you can see, if your phone is like this, you will have night mode right here. I got night shot enabled. If we go to more, we also have night mode. We have something like a timer here. What's important is that it's telling us we need to hold our camera still for a couple of seconds. We got the timer now, but when I put it onto the light, it disappears. When I take a picture, it will be just like a normal photo mode. So it has to be dark. Let me quickly try and get some dark scenery. Now I tried to get dark scenery, of course it's a little bit lightened up. Make sure that you do that while you're not in a flashy room with lights and such. That's basically how you can use night mode in the camera. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.